Exercising at the gym can be such a bore. You're usually climbing a staircase to nowhere, walking endlessly on a treadmill, or just waiting for a machine. And because you're not having fun working out, it's hard to make yourself do it regularly. So you end up skipping the gym a lot, and your body remains more or less the same. In fact, the only thing that really changes is your bank account, as you waste money every month paying for a gym membership you don't use. If this sounds all too familiar, you're going to love Dance Lab. Dance Lab is a dance studio located at 5th and Main Street in downtown Columbus that makes exercise fun. Instead of doing the same old boring treadmill routine at the gym, you can choose from dozens of high-energy dance classes like hip-hop, cardio funk, Zumba, and jazz. And because we change our choreography in our classes every couple weeks, you'll never quit coming because you get bored. But that's not even the best part. You're also going to love what dancing does for your body. With just a few weeks, you'll be sporting flatter abs, toned triceps, stronger quads, and a higher backside. After all, there's a reason dancers are known for their amazing bodies. If this all sounds pretty awesome, but you're worried because you're not a dancer, Dance Lab is for you too. We teach all-level dance classes in a very friendly and accepting environment. Whether you're taking your very first dance class or you've been dancing for years, we'll make you feel at home. We also offer drop-in classes, so you can check out Dance Lab without making a long-term commitment. And if you decide you do want to join, we offer several easily affordable monthly packages. To find out just how fun exercise can be, visit our website at dancelab.com, where you'll find information about our classes, schedule, and rates. See you at the studio!